Holdsport is a leading specialist sports and outdoor goods retailer trading countrywide through the Sportsmans warehouse and outdoor warehouse brands.
Right, so those are pretty visible brands. I think everybody who's got children at school knows what the inside of a Sportsman's warehouse looks like, but market cap relatively low. I mean,
2.6 billion rand, PE here of 12 and a dividend yield of just over 5%.
I think people have tried to buy them in the past, to be honest. And I know for a fact Massmart tried to buy them once, but typically they've been rebuffed by competition authorities.
I do agree with you that those brands are very solid, Sportsman's Warehouse and Outdoor Warehouse. Would you hold this in a portfolio? Very, very niche play.
We were just talking about it earlier. It is a stock that's very difficult to trade because it is illiquid. But I think they're perfectly positioned to benefit from a consumer trend that's very focused on being active and fitness. And both of you being parents, you buy a lot of sports gear for your children at school. So I definitely think it has its place in a portfolio, but I wouldn't go bet the house on it.
So let's look at the performance. Paul, you can do the honors for us.
Yeah, no, it does look good. And they paid out some special dividends. The illiquidity is a factor of long-term structured holdings, as well as the management team under Kevin Hodgson and Tony Harburger, and also got quite big chunks of stock. So because it's a small cap, nobody really cares. So the bid-offer spread is quite large, and they can often be quite frustrating to either buy or sell. But I do like the long-term story. You know, the only thing that would unlock real solid share price performance would be if South Africa, one of the national teams, were to win one of the global World Cups or something for a change.
Well,
because imagine all of the replica kit then that would get sold.
Solidly, we will be behind anything of that nature. Hot or not?
I'm hot on this one.
Hot, Paul?
Yeah, hot on it too. I like it. I mean, it's a smaller stock, and we've got a little holding there, and we've hung on to it, and it's done well for us. Still hot.